Gola Rainforest in Sierra Leone. One of the most important areas of rainforest in the world. It is home to a spectacular array of wildlife. Protecting this rainforest is critical for the animals, for the planet, and for the people. These are the Gola people. They live around Gola Rainforest. They are growing cocoa beneath the forest canopy, grown in harmony with the forest and its wildlife. It makes delicious chocolate. This is the traditional way to grow cocoa. It's organic too. For the people here, cocoa is a way of life. By forming a farmers association, everybody gets a fair price. Farmers are making a living at the same time as protecting their forest. Eat chocolate. Save a rainforest.